Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make good muffins. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and line a muffin tin while combining dry ingredients in one bowl and wet in another. Fold wet into dry until just combined, then fill cups 2/3 full for even domes. Place pan on middle rack and watch for golden tops and a toothpick that comes out clean to know they are done. Start by sifting dry ingredients to prevent lumps and ensure lighter muffins, then whisk wet ingredients until smooth but not frothy. Combine with a few firm folds to maintain airiness and avoid rubbery texture. If using frozen fruit, toss with a little flour to keep it suspended. For tender crumbs, choose melted butter or oil and include a spoonful of yogurt to balance moisture and flavor. Customize flavors by adding vanilla, citrus zest, or spices like cinnamon for depth without extra sweetness. Fill liners 2/3 full and consider a quick high-heat blast at the start if you want taller domes, then reduce temperature to finish baking. Watch closely near the end and test with a toothpick. When it comes out clean or with a few crumbs, they are ready. Let muffins cool briefly before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.